For orphans in the slums of Lusaka, a meal is never a sure thing. Poverty and want are all they know, all they'll ever know. But for those orphans who attend one of Family Legacy's legacy academies in their neighborhood, they know they will be fed every day. A nutritious meal prepared on the other side of the world for Zambia's least of these.
At Family Legacy, we run 18 of our own schools, and that caters for almost 10,000 kids. So besides education, our feeding program for lunch is one of the most important aspects of our program. With our kids, survival is one of the most important things for them. They're constantly worrying about where their next meal is coming from. And for us to be able to provide that here at school is really important.
Thank you, Lord, for giving us His school. Bless Daddy, bless Mommy, bless our teachers and all the children.
Kunyumba kwatu vana vatu vamabwera na njala. Koma akafika kuno vana amapeza chakudya. Vankhala vokuta vosangalala lokupunzira vapunzira bwino chifukwa ni wokuta pamene apa vapitirize Mulungu akaziwaunikira akaziwadalisa pamene vachita chifukwa ise makolo vavana kunyumba sitikwanisa vadyesa vabwera na njala mwana ngati ali na njala sangapunzire bwino pavatipunzisira vatidyesera Mulungu akaziwadalisa vagwira ntchito kwambiri chifukwa ntchito amene vakwanisa sitikwanisa makolo Mulungu akudaliseni kwambiri ndinokondwera ndinosangalala zikomo.
Thank you for feeding us.
Thank you for feeding us.
Thank you for feeding us.
Thank you for feeding us.